In this video, I'll show you how to create a fast zoom out effect in DaVinci Resolve using built-in tools. Start by trimming your clips so they're about 10 frames long. This short length is what gives the effect its punch. Next, open the effects library and place an adjustment clip above your first clip. Extend the adjustment clip by 1 extra frame. With the adjustment clip selected, search for Transform in the effects library and apply it. Go to the inspector, set a keyframe on zoom at the first frame, and increase the zoom to around 2. Then move to the cut point and set the zoom back to 1. Scroll down to Animation and push Motion Blur all the way up. Finally, trim off the extra frame on the adjustment clip. To reuse the effect, hold Option on Mac or Alt on Windows and drag the adjustment clip to duplicate it above your other clips.